Rcex 010 350G John Deere excavator. We have a blown battery. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but that battery is toast. Blown on the inside. See if I can get this cover off. Don't want to make any sparks or anything. I mean, it's already blown, but we can't get that cover off. I don't have a tool here with me. But the battery is blown. You get inside here, where the caps are, the whole top of the battery blown out. The other battery looks good. Can we get a battery for this? Can we have a mechanic come down here and look at this so we can get a couple batteries in here? It didn't hurt any electronics. Radiator, oil cooler, transmission cooler, nothing. Everything's fine there. The other battery seems to be fine. A little bit of dust on it, or mud on it. Thank you.